My name is Janvi Modi from class 7 and today I am representing Augusta International School for the science fair. In this science fair, I will be presenting the model of artificial pancreas based on the topic of dealing with type 1 diabetes. Before moving to the model, I would like to briefly explain about type 1 diabetes. In type 1 diabetes, the patient's pancreas stop working and secreting insulin, hence their blood sugar levels start rising, which can be the reason why they even get fatigued or tired. That is why they need to manage their glucose levels on a daily basis, and for that they have to take external insulin. And this model can be helpful for them who cannot manage the units of how much dosage they have to take for the insulin. So the people who cannot manage this, the CGM and the insulin or the artificial pancreas and all is the best thing for them. So as moving forward to the model, I have an insulin pump, that is water pump. I have insulin, that is salty water, blood glucose, that is distilled water, blood glucose monitor, that is multimeter, Arduino Uno plus circuit, that is collaborating unit. So basically moving before, I would like to describe why I used distilled water as blood glucose. That is because that distilled water has higher resistance, and as we know, resistance is directly proportional to voltage. The voltage reading also goes higher because the resistance is high, while in the salty water the resistance is lower, so the voltage is also lower. So now as we see, the multimeter shows that the readings are higher than expected, so the insulin pump will start pumping the insulin as it gets the alert, which it has already come. And now as we see, the insulin has started pumping itself and the blood glucose level has started dropping itself, and now at a certain point it will stop. Yeah, so now we have got the approximate value of blood glucose, and this is the exact value that we needed, so now the blood glucose will stop. This can make the patient very happy.